Yeah. These words from the dome, hot like bullets when they fire chrome and lead. My thoughts is roaming like a covered scully head. Yeah, I use bass to keep the listeners touch. I use the bass to keep the crowd pumping. I'm in touch, freeze the track like a cardiac arrest. I'm laying the rest, those who wanna contest. I suggest if you the best, then I'm better. Greater or more lesser, your flow is played out like a knitted coochie sweater. My raps is nickel plated, your raps is truly faded. You young but outdated, I made it where you hate it. So it leaves me to stand a champion, but it's me you wanna beat like. I dropped the mic, you went to the street like the time is right. Put my thoughts up on a kite and let it fly to earth. Then what it's worth, ain't no value, it's infinite. So why you biting for? Jocking on my shit so hard, you caught a lockjaw. It grew more and more niggas around. The noise buzzing in your eardrum, call us around sound. I'm from BK, but I got around town, even down south, and telling these bitches wipe me down. Now back to the projects with air holes and texts in them. I'm in the hallways with cracks in my socks in them. So I come round, I'm coming around with the freshest attire, make your old heads retire. Call it like an umpire with no cages on my face, standing tall and famous like the Empire State. I am great, but you snitch like Maguire from The Wire. Ain't no feeling, cause Alka's in the building. The building. Alka's in the building. The building. So what to do when niggas talk shit about me? Especially the hoes when they know when they jock me. Explaining on my life story like it's doing shit for me. I got more respect than that, with more blood and glory on me. When y'all was catching Vicks, I was rolling trips. A little teen bringing guns up on the school trips. If you's a stick up kid, so then I'm laughing. A pen and pad criminal, writing around subliminal. Your damage is minimal, my raps is carnage. You're just a little kid, sit down and eat your porridge. I'm hungry for niggas like 109s in forest. Blood dripping on my fresh kicks. Rappers I piss on, running like Saigon. These niggas can't fight nowadays, they run to get a firearm. I'd rather try along or then sing along. Niggas rhymes but I ain't feeling, cause Alka's in the building. The building.